We just spent a week on Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas in cabin number 8280, which is located on deck 8 in the aft section. The room's about 164 square feet with a 47 square foot balcony. When you enter the room, there's a closet on the left and the bathroom is on the right. Next is a sitting area with a couch and a makeup/desk area with a lighted mirror. There are upper cabinets and lower drawers. There's also an upper cabinet with a small safe and a lower cabinet with a small fridge in it. The TV is above the fridge on a swivel bar. There is either 2 twin beds available or 1 king with 2 nightstands. The deck below and above are also staterooms, giving you less noise than if you were located under a kitchen or an active area. Please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.